I dead? Why mute yourself, Shay? Why am I dead? Why do I have a ghost tail and I'm still dead? But I'm the Bro. Okay. Leave it. Shade, why you mute yourself? I need to know why. Bruh, Shade. Why?
Oh yeah, by the way, we won, so congrats. Anyways, I think he's about to come to a call and we will be back.
They didn't quote
They did quote you, Brad. That's you know. Yeah, okay, but anyways,
Okay.
let's see who's the imposter, and I'm gonna change back to yellow.
Okay, let's see.
Guys, dang it, I'll be orange. Not get myself a confusion between you and Akim. Can I change it to orange? There. Okay, I'm the police.
I'm the government agent. Yes.
Yo, to
Tell me to lock.
anyways,
Since you
what the
kind of thing.
so what the police officer does is they arrest the people and then they can't use their abilities. The government agent, however,
Must
he
find the
can
imposter
scan.
and shoot him.
He can scan and see if it's a crewmate or not.
Right? I need you to stay with me in case the imposter kills me. But we'll
Okay,
find him.
yeah, sure. Okay.
We start with one.
Hmm.
The time it takes long. But do you choose along?
Sure. I'll tell you where I am. So guys, which was just do our toss and we can win. Oh yeah, by the way, I see you haven't died. Oh shoot, what the heck? What were these two about to do? You know,
What happened?
guys, Jack Popple is chasing me.
Okay. Run,
Okay,
keep
I
run,
mean,
just keep running.
okay, I'm by meeting, I'm by cafeteria. Yeah, absolute purple. Yeah, trying to kill me. Please need. I'm just going to.
It's not me.
Please. Okay, but let's see who's who's gonna be the imposter.
Just because I was the imposter
Come on,
doesn't mean I can do
guys,
it.
my mom is kinda homeless. She just
No.
replied to my thing, but anyway, she's going out. What did I
See, I
say?
told you it was.
What did I say, bruh? Purple was the imposter, bruh.
Well, it's not me this time. I'm not the last imposter. So who do you think is next?
Wow, what
I'm
do
gonna
you think
scan
is
now.
next? Okay, scan anyone.
Whoa! That
Not
wasn't
today.
me.
No, it wasn't you at all. Because that could have been anyone.
Okay, let's start the pink here.
Oh, light is pink. Scan.
Scanning, 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 and she's good.
Nope,
Pink is.
nope, hell no. Block your ass.
Who you running from?
It's what's this color? Like like a sand color. She's here,
Okay,
she's
I'm
here,
gonna
she's
scan
here,
out.
she's here. She's here in the reactor. Yo, this one. Yo, kill her. Kill her, yeah.
Listen, I'm wrong.
Why you're wrong?
If I shoot the wrong person, then I get killed.
Yo, let's go, bruh.
Did we win?
I don't know. Do I get it? Okay, but anyways, guys, let's just continue with our task.
Now let's just keep our mouths. I had to do that. If I did the wrong thing, then my cousin is toast.
Yo, the next time you be the imposter, kills me first. Kind of toast. Okay.
Sure, I'm sorry I have to shoot you.
Okay, can you scan
Joking.
me? Can you scan me? Please. Please scan
Why
me.
don't you I know you're not imposter.
Okay, fine.
Yep, you're good. If I see a creep light on the face, then you're the imposter. Come,
Well,
let's
anyways,
go
we
there.
got two. Yeah, we probably got 2 out of the 3, or maybe 2 out of the 2. I don't know.
Let me go back now. Okay, I'm gonna scan. I'm gonna scan for this one now.
Scan yellow, bruh. Yellow looks sus.
But she was standing still the whole time. Now she's only moving.
I mean, she's only moving now. Looks like.
Okay, she's Santa, so I don't need to scan her.
I mean, Santa is she the crewmate or in neutral role? Oh, we won. We duoed, bruh. We duoed so good, bruh.
You see, I killed the right imposter. Okay.
Yeah, bro, we did good. We did good. Okay, but anyways, let's see. We're gonna go for last round, round 3. Let's see who's the imposter. We want 2 out of the 3, so we good from there. Okay, guys, we're back and. Woo. Okay.
I'm the
Uh,
prophet.
again, I'm the plumber.
I can see ghosts through my vision. What are you showing?
Okay, I'm gonna check. I'm gonna check on purple. Purple scanning. Okay, it's good. It's good. Okay. Okay. So that was so.
Showing purple's following you.
Purple's following me. I didn't hear
Okay,
that.
stop.
Oh, okay.
What are you even?
But I said I told you I'm a plumber. But look at this, but
Oh,
I'm gonna plumb a fin. Hold up, here's a fin. Okay, I'm plumbing, and I go in the thing. You see?
yeah. Wait, the imposter does that.
Yeah, but the plumber can also do it.
Don't lie to me. I'm stuck.
Oh, let me help you.
I knew it was imposter. Because the imposter can only do that, not a plumber.
Oh god, I think they're gonna kick me out.
Yeah, they caught you. Somebody see you.
Ah,
Go check in the meeting what's happening. Yeah, it's Coyote.
I was a plumber. That was a plumber. Okay. So let's see who gets kicked out. Hopefully it's not me. Hey, my brothers, guess what? Who didn't get out? It's me! I didn't get out!
That's right, you know now they're gonna vote you. Because now they know it's not blue.
Yeah, but if I kill someone quickly, then I'm gonna get them. But anyways, as the
I'm gonna
imposter,
follow you.
I can't. I couldn't tell you what the imposters do right now because Hakim would have snitched me out.
No, I wouldn't. I would actually keep my mouth.
You better be. You were the priest in this situation.
No, I would just keep my mouth and let you kill people. Like I normally do, but you didn't give me a
Mama
chance.
clap. Oh, let's go. Dang.
No!
Let's go. I didn't realize it was over. But I don't know
Okay.
how much we were willing to do. Another one or what?
Another one, and then we're done.
Let's just try another one, guys. Last one, guys.
Maybe
Three out of four. Yeah, 3 out of 4, I guess. Dang,
oh
that's
boy,
a
now I'm
shame. I'm the sensor. Oh, I'm so not the fast man. Shame. Pat in the back.
just be quiet, Joey. Boring.
Okay. Anyways, yeah, I got. Look at how cool I am. Okay, I just turn around, put the cameras in, put the camera in the back. Let's go. Oh, what the heck?
It was me.
Oh, boy. Okay, but anyways, I think I could die in the next turn if I don't excuse.
But you did.
No, I won't be dead. But if I vote you, if you get voted out, yeah, then
Child, don't vote me. I didn't vote you.
yeah, bruh, you didn't. Too late, bruh. Too late, bruh. Okay, fine. Sorry, got you. Sorry, I know this is my cousin, but still, can't be that easy. But anyways, I will be back. Let's go.
Yep. Do you know?
Let's go.
Do you know I was the imposter?
I can survive for another time.
Yeah, but you know I was the imposter.
How?
You
Imposter
know the
role.
thing with
The ticket thingy.
no,
What?
yeah, it gave me every time I get a free ticket.
Ah, of course you used the last ticket on the last game. This is why you
No,
said last game. But
I
anyways,
still have 25.
how long have you played this game, bruh?
I played the whole time, so
You
I have
sweet,
25 now. 26, but
bruh,
I
you
used
sweet,
one.
bruh, you get all the tickets, yet you still can't beat me. Eh?
Okay,
Yeah,
that
don't lie,
wasn't the
don't you?
right imposter role I needed.
Mm,
I didn't need that one. I needed
okay,
the one.
okay. Okay. So then, they know I am clear. I am clear. Because I just got by a button by a snake or something. And I think
That's my
Purple's gonna be again the imposter.
Okay, by the way, you are dead and Red is dead now.
No, I'm not dead. I'm alive still.
You're gonna be dead soon.
I mean, probably.
Yeah, because I put that thing on you.
No, it doesn't work when you get voted out.
It does though, because somebody died and it happened.
No, if you vote the parasite, if and somebody plays that parasite thingy, then
I'll tell him it's imposter.
how should I say this? Okay, we will be back
Brown is
now. I will just tell Hakim. Okay, guys, we got like 3 people here. Hopefully, we won't die. Brown is definitely the
Brown
killer.
is the imposter.
Brown is it's so obvious, but no,
Just
we're
follow
probably
him.
gonna die. We're probably gonna die. Guys, we won for the first time, and yeah, hopefully I see you later.
And I'm gonna be the imposter again, guys,
Peace.
now.
How about no?
Peace, guys.
Peace.